Hey everybody, Travis Holzman with Food Forest Design Minnesota, and I just want to make a quick video. Are you a web developer, web designer? Here's what I'm looking for. Okay, I do all that. Okay, I do all my own social media. I created my own. I design my website. I've been designing a website since 1998. I've been graphic designer for the same amount of time, search engine, SEO, all that stuff. I've been doing it since 1998. So I got a firm grasp of everything. I know how to do everything there is, okay? And I've built hundreds of websites, and I've built them for startups, everything, okay? I am looking for a web developer, web designer. If you can do everything, graphic design, SEO, web develop, my website is on WordPress, so it's very simple. But I'm looking for someone to come on board and basically I want to be able to hand the reins and the admin of my website to somebody that is competent, that knows what they're doing, and I can concentrate on growing my business, okay? I have an important business, I think, and as you can see, grow food, man. That's what I'm all about, growing food. But I'm looking for someone who is a jack of all trades in web development. If you have been using AI in your web development, great. I have been using AI too. I'd love to knock ideas around with you. But if I'm looking for a certain skill set to come and take over my website for me, obviously I'll still do work on the website whenever I want because it's my website. But what I'm saying is, I want someone I can trust taking over my website and the development of that site. So that could be SEO, that could be just optimizing the website for speed. If websites, as technology changes, you got all these different plugins that provide the functionality for your site. Well, sometimes as WordPress is updated, that plugin is no longer updated. It doesn't jive. So we might have to make a change. Or something breaks, got to fix it. The normal stuff that goes on. Well, I am looking for someone to come. I would really like someone local, within the Twin Cities here that I can meet up on a regular basis, or you can come to my place and we could sit in my office and knock ideas around. But my company is we're growing, and that's why I need to duplicate myself and free myself up to grow this business. And like I said, I need someone competent, someone I can trust to do that. And what I'm willing to do is offer you some equity in my company at a certain point, okay? For the work that you do on the website. And also, until we get to that equity position, obviously you're going to have to prove yourself to me. I'm not just going to give that to you. You're going to earn it, basically, because you're going to prove to me that you are worth my investment in you, because that's what I'm going to be giving you equity in my company as, you're earning that position. You're earning that partnership with this company that I have started, all right? And that's basically, you're going to show me. And if you show me, you're gonna be a partner, okay? And you will obviously make more money that way. But here we go. And what I have to offer you right now is commission on the sales that come in from the day you start working on my website. You will get a percentage of each sale that comes into my company, okay, as compensation for the work you're doing on the website. Okay, and then if that is increasing, the sales are increasing, and I will, raise that percentage up as we go. And like I said, and if you prove to be an amazing partner, and we align the same vision, you see my vision, and you can take my vision and run with it with the website, I will make you an equity partner in this company. So I'm trying to build a team. We're going to change things. And so if you want to be part of that, get in contact with me. And like I said, I do everything I'm asking of you, I do myself already, okay? And I've been doing it for many, many years, so you can't bullshit me. You will have proof of whatever you tell me, be able to back up with a source that you can point to. If you're going to tell me, hey, I built this amazing website, send me a link, let me see it. Don't tell me, show me. Because we can all talk shop. But like I said, this is a great opportunity. I'm trying to get investment capital right now to grow this thing. And if that happens, then we can revisit the commission thing, and you can get paid a different way. So I'm looking for you to trust me, and I'm going to trust you. So I've already built it, okay? I'm basically offering you a chance to come in, and I'm giving you the keys, right, to my business. And you're going to help improve my business, and you are going to make a lot of money doing that, if you are as good as you say you are. Because there's nothing that is going to stop this business from growing. If this was Florida, we wouldn't be having this conversation, because I'd already have it. Down there, it's simple. Everybody and you can grow all year round. Here, up in Minnesota, it takes a little bit more, because people have to be educated a little bit more on what they can grow here. But anyway, get in contact with me and let's talk. I mean, please be local, honestly, unless you don't mind. I don't know. I would rather be able to meet face to face on occasion. And especially if you're going to be an equity partner in my company at a point, I want to be able to look you in the eye and talk to you. So that's it. If you're interested and you can handle it, get in contact with me and let's talk. You can reach me at foodforestdesignminnesota@gmail.com, or you can visit my website you just put ffamn.com. Let me see if that still works. Hold on, ffamn.com. I think it's still redirecting. Just taking a little bit. Okay, it is. Yeah, FFAMN.com. It will redirect to my website. You'll see the logo. It says Food Forest Design Minnesota on top of the website. And yeah, I do not get to spend the time I want to on this website, honestly, because I have to grow the business. So I don't get the time to really put my time into it. So that's why I want to duplicate me, so you can dial in this website and make it better while I concentrate on growing the company. But you will be growing with me, trust me. And I have no problem taking care of you. So get a hold of me and let's talk, or you can send me a text at 612-990-5345 and just let me know you watched this video, and then you can shoot me over your resume, or we can get on the phone. We can get on a Zoom call and talk, or else if you're local, we can get together and talk. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns.